Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. The first test between India and Sri Lanka in Galle delivered plenty of drama on day 3, as Sri Lanka fought hard to stay in the game, while India continued to remain firmly in control. India had posted a strong first innings total of 462 runs. Sri Lanka needed a big response, but their batting lineup quickly came under pressure. Mohammad Suraj opened the attack by dismissing Nishan Fernando for a second ball duck. India's spin attack then took over, putting Sri Lanka under serious pressure. Manav Suthar made an immediate impact, taking 4 wickets in the innings. Kuldeep Yadav and Ravindra Jadeja also played important roles as Sri Lanka slipped to 90 for 5. But just when Sri Lanka looked to be in deep trouble, Sonal Dinusha and Niroshan Dickwella produced a remarkable fightback. The pair added 146 runs for the 6th wicket, frustrating the Indian bowlers throughout the afternoon. Dickwella, playing his first test in 3 years, scored a valuable 80 runs. Eventually, his resistance came to an end, but Dinusha continued his outstanding innings. Dinusha reached a memorable milestone by completing his maiden Test 100. His century included 4 fours and 2 sixes, and it gave Sri Lanka some much-needed hope. However, Ravindra Jadeja eventually dismissed Dinusha for 100. Dinusha reviewed the decision, believing he had made contact with the ball, but Ultra Edge showed no inside edge. Sri Lanka were eventually bowled out for 284, giving India a first innings lead of 178 runs. Unfortunately, dark clouds and the threat of a storm brought an early end to play on day 3. So, despite Dinusha's brilliant maiden Test century and Sri Lanka's determined fightback, India remain in a very strong position heading into the next stage of the match. What do you think? Can Sri Lanka fight back, or will India take complete control of this test? If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more cricket updates. Thanks for watching.